Okay, so first I wanted to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Cheyenne, I believe you were the one I spoke with. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was just to kind of show you how you could increase the value of your company with a website and how exposure works on Google. Now you need three key factors that go on here that play a major role: content, backlinks, and citations. And of course, I'll go over a couple basics you may or may not already know. Every time you plug something into here or type into the Google search, you're typing in keywords. Google uses that to look for websites that best fit your search for the words that you typed in. Search engine optimization, SEO. And so we understand Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords that get typed into the search and then categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So I know that you do cabinet installs contracted through Lowe's. I thought to myself, you could always install cabinets aside from that if if your schedule wasn't too busy or you were looking to expand. I just wanted to break down a little bit for you, try to help you guys out or give you some insight. So we do see you right here on top of the map. So I was going to say this is the map pack, map section. Ranking here in the maps is directly related to your Google business profile and the area that you want to cover, and citations. Anything, name, address, and phone number that directly reflects your business profile. Once Google sees your business being referenced, the more often than your competitors, the likely you are to bring more value to your business, the more trusted you get, and you move up the rank, and they position you so. Being in the maps is already great, so a website would just bring that much more value to you. Understand everything under the map is an organic rank, and that comes with content and backlinks. Angie is an advertisement, so no, that does not work. BBB, that's not the same. 30 Best Kitchens, that's not the same. But we do have an example here. We have Butler Homes. So I took him, and this is his website, and I wanted to give you a little behind the scenes so you understood a little bit better. And I plugged this into a tool that I have. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind closed doors, how the business and how the website is there. Now, I did mention backlinks are an important part. Backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another, and Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. From that, you have 26 domains, or they have 26 domains directly connected to them, and 167 keywords that are generating them roughly 63 views a month, give or take what's going on here, of traffic. To get an idea of what's going on, we can take a look. So this is the search volume per month that these keywords get searched. Now let's not think about the business name, but remodeling a room, 30, renovating a room, 60, remodeling room, 400. What did I see? Custom butler's pantry, how to remodel a room, remodeling, steps to remodel, 90. So you can see all of these collectively, when they're added together, create a lot of exposure for people that are typing into the Google search for things that they would like to have done or services they're looking for. All that exposure will create a lot of leads and generate traffic, and then that becomes sales. So it's really important to have the right content put into your website so that you can get the leads and the exposure that you're looking for. Now, again, not all backlinks are created equal. It's important to have a backlink with a strong domain rank and plenty of traffic. Even though it's ranking, no traffic. So these are kind of dead in the water for them. No rank, no traffic. No rank, no traffic. Not everything is equal. For example, Pizza Hut down the road, linking back to your cabinetry, isn't as strong of an endorsement as another cabinet facility or company linking back to you or referencing you within their website. So it's good to keep in mind that not all things are created equal in that aspect. Also, there was another site that I wanted to show you. I believe it was Sorrell's Cabinet Company. He's down here at number 7. So just to give you another basic example of how well he's doing within the tools, he has 367 backlinks, 29 domains, 49 keywords, and 28 on the traffic. So the content and the keyword plays a major factor with how you are recognized, how people and companies are endorsing you, and what your exposure rate is. A lot of companies can build a beautiful website, but they'll fall short when it comes to content, and then you don't get recognized, and then you wonder, well, I have a website and I don't understand why I'm not getting any more business. I like to say that it's like having a business card on a desert island. You just don't get seen. So when all of these things come together and you bring the content and the backlinks and the citations and the Google business profile together, and Google starts to trust you and see that you're being endorsed by others, all these things come into play and you quickly start to see a lot of value coming to you and you get moved through the rank structure. I hope that you have a better understanding of how that works and why people are on the first page. Most people don't search past the first page. So being that you're in the maps, if you added a website, you could, branch out. I was just kind of throwing that out there. Wasn't sure what you guys' plans were. Hope you appreciate that. If there was any concerns that you would like to cover, I'd be more than happy to work with you. Again, my name is Jeff, and thanks for taking the time to watch this. Appreciate it.